Aberdeen, where the journey to the Northern Isles begins. Here, the Terberg RT Electric helps load trailers and freight onto ferries bound for Shetland and Orkney, supporting vital transport links between the mainland Scotland and the islands. These sailings carry everything from essential supplies to livestock and commercial freight. Working in partnership with NorthLink Ferries operated by Serco, Terberg has supported the development of a reliable transport system across the Northern Isles for many years. Today, a fleet of around 20 vehicles operates across the region, forming part of the daily freight and port handling operations across the Northern Isles. For communities across Shetland, ferry movements are a vital part of everyday life. The Terberg vehicles provide reassurance on the dockside, built for durability across changing conditions, from busy summer operations to colder, wetter months, supporting the steady movement of freight arriving into the harbour. The RT Electric is a natural fit for these operations, combining proven durability with zero emissions performance to support efficient port activity day to day.
Hi, my name's Ian Harms. I'm a stevedore tug driver at NorthLink Ferries. The transition from diesel to EV, jumping in it without having any knowledge of, I've never driven one before. It just seems, the setup was very similar to the diesel. You turn the key, put it in gear, and off you went. It was great. Sometimes when you're in the diesel tugs, you can go on and you can't hear, and it's safety critical that you hear what's going on. You can't wear ear defenders because you could miss something. You could miss a whistle, you could miss someone telling you to stop. So with that, it was, you know, it was going onto the deck on your own. It was like silence. It was great. It was, you know, everything was going on. People come up to the tug and spoke to you, you could hear them. So yes, it was different.
Next stop, Orkney. Kirkwall, Orkney. Arriving through the night, operations continue as freight is moved off the ferry and onto the port, with the vessels requiring a quick turnaround before departing shortly after arrival. The Terberg vehicles support this process on the dockside, helping ensure all freight is removed efficiently to keep to strict sailing schedules. From Kirkwall, we travel across the island to Stromness. Orkney has become a leader in renewable energy, supported by wind and tidal power, as well as a growing electric vehicle infrastructure, with more than 5% of vehicles already electric. This makes it an ideal environment for the next step in Terberg's journey.
I'm Chris Bevan, I'm the Operations Director at NorthLink Ferries. Yeah, Orkney's been ahead of the curve for many years in terms of renewables. We've used the diesel version for a long time now, and it's worked really well in our operation. So I was really keen when I heard that there was an electric concept to get it up into our ports and see how it coped as well. And we look forward to sometime in the future hopefully having EV Terbergs operating around our ports.
Across Orkney, livestock movements rely on efficient ferry operations between the islands and mainland Scotland, supported by specialist trailers and Terberg vehicles. From Stromness, we travel back across to Scrabster. Here, the RT Electric completes its final unloading of cargo before being collected to continue its journey across the UK. From Shetland to Orkney and back to mainland Scotland, these operations continue to evolve. Built to last, charged to perform, supported for life.